Hello, my name is Jenny. Let's for answer the prospect question. 1. Do you wish to compare comparison to ours on social media? Yes, the first is with when the working on us the live thing before the being social networks occupies another part on what lies lives. Thanks to things the shared searches of our lives, one person and professional, and the welcome other friends, colleagues, and even in-laws are doing. Purchase is on the ons is Grabando. Comparison Juan other we do they like dinner and you do one call this agent one the astering. Question multiple we where see images stay and 4 days on interest. This is called comparison. 2. Do you think that information was on social network inspiring for action? Sometimes do you days to can and actually come what your friends are doing? You stay and look on Facebook, they will shooting posts, photos and their license activity. We high hold use the lights on mobile phone for years and seizing the airwheel on a smartphone access to social network as beautiful, submitting every day. Routing and essence for some people. Post on social media can access a person. She's imagining and damage words still staying. An important factor as one hosting in one lost people using social media. The more people using social media, the more influence they has. 3. The call social media asset on mental health. The social media and mental health are lies because they come triggering various negative emotions in users. This can contribute to even worsen its movies, the prevention. Sus unfaith and slowness and listen blissful in these activities. Social media and mental health are believing to be lies because of one's successes online and solidity empathy. On home people feel the empathy is so grand that people can feel its courage. Jan laws and disciplines and state and spirit force lies. The lies to live feast esteem, experience to muse time connected to social networks and expanding on people perception. The kind confused reacting in dialysis once they see on the screens to this point of no feels good about themselves. Thank you.